Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got another sneak peek for you from P.A.M diamond painting. I'm very excited to share this one with you, and I feel like it's very seasonally appropriate. I'm definitely feeling like with the Maybank holiday and Easter behind us, we are now very much looking towards the summer, and certainly in the UK we've had a few days of very hot weather, and so it is feeling very summery here. So I'll show you the kit first of all. This is you get kind of an extra kit, I suppose, so it's not so much your basic kit. You get a lovely foil bag. We get, in this case, 3 little plates of very dark red wax. We've got a lovely big roll of some heart washi. We've got a cover minder. It's a little bunny butt. That's adorable. I love that. And if the Big Butts event is running in January of next year, I'm definitely going to be using that cover minder. And then in here we get everything else that you need. We've got a little stash of baggies, a bit more wax. We've got some multi-placers, your basic pen with a brass single placer. It's a little sparkly one, and then you can put your multi-placer on the end. We've got some metal tweezers, sharp ones, keep them covered, and we've got your basic white boat. So that is our kit. Let's just shovel that over to one side. Also, before I get in and show you the diamond painting, I also wanted to show you, I got a little freebie, which is a sample of some putty. So I know smell-o-vision's sadly not a thing, but I can smell it from here without even having opened the packet. So this is from Joy's Putty, keeping it simple, tested and approved for ABs. And then it says, message me on Facebook, Joy's Putty and more. So we've got a little sample here of Cinnabon. And there you are. It looks like a little square of pink bubblegum. But it does indeed. It smells exactly like an iced cinnamon bun. That is yummy smelling, and I can't wait to actually use it. And I got a little Tootsie Roll there, which, excuse me, I'm sure one of my children will steal. So I just wanted to mention Joy's Putty. I will be testing it out as I work on my current canvas, and I will give you a little bit of feedback in my next update video. So onto the canvas itself. This canvas is called Sunshine Blooms and is from Piddling At Memories. They are a studio. They carry the art from several different artists. Look at all this sunshine yellow. This is going to be so much fun. Down the bottom here, of course, we can see plenty of colour blocking, which makes me happy. This is a big one. Let's see how much of it I can show you in one go. It is a 60 by 95. So as we get up into the top of the painting, start seeing our lovely lady appear. She's got some gorgeous butterflies around her. Let's move that out of the way. Right, and here we have her face. Gorgeous, gorgeous curly hair, filled with flowers, surrounded by these monarch butterflies. Stunning. I love a monarch butterfly. That's what particularly turned me on to this one. But also, I just really like the way that it's designed. I think she's gorgeous. This is going to be such a summery, happy painting to work on. She's very goddessy. She's giving me all those goddessy vibes, and just, stunning, stunning, stunning. Also, nice to see more and more artists creating artwork with people with different skin tones. That is always nice to see. We of course have got our big sticker here showing the original artwork. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And we've got our stickers here, which are pre-cut, ready for use. We have numbers in order, then we have alphabet in order, then we have our symbols. There's not too many, nothing really unusual. Very nice. So we've got 50 colours, a lot of oranges and yellows, and they come in this big old chunk here. So we've got some ABs here as well. What ABs have we got? We got 3 ABs. So yeah, these are our big bags of colour. Look at the size of these. So let's have a look. If we look in this one, this packet has got the inventory sheet, and this tells you how many diamonds of each colour that you're going to be getting. So this is 741, and that is 8,048, but that is not the biggest colour. I think that's going to be one of the other ones. 742 is a bigger bag again. You can see that this one's got much more in. 13,834. Goodness. And 3823 I think is going to be the biggest. Yeah, that's this bag here. And 3823, 15,000. 172. I have got this in square. Can't remember if it was available in rounds. I will check and put details down below if it is. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm still struggling with this stupid cough. Right, so we've got all these lovely kind of autumnal shades in this one. It's sort of lovely gradient of browns and yellows. And then we've got our big sunshine pack here. This has also got our ABs in it. Look at this big old bag of ABs. It's huge. So nice big bag of orange ABs. That is 740. So we've got 740, 741 and 742. So these colours obviously are just going to blend together beautifully. And then we've got 445. That is going to be, what symbol is 445? Oh, that's going to be in the background. Quite a lot of that. Oh, nice. Lovely. The 740 is going to be in her dress. And then the 666 AB, just a little sprinkling of those. That is going to be wherever there's a red, basically. There isn't very much red in this, but wherever there is a red, it's going to be a red AB. So, oh, I'm very excited. I am really keen to get working on this one, and I don't know when I will. I've got a bit of a backlog at the moment because they've brought out so many beautiful paintings. But if you would like to get this painting, or indeed any of the paintings from P.A.M, I will of course leave links down below. This painting is being released on Monday, the day that this video is going up, so you will be able to pop on over and see it, and see anything else from Piddling At Memories or any of the other wonderful artists that they've got there. I will also leave a link to my playlist of P.A.M videos so that you can see anything else that I've unboxed for them, should you wish to go and check them out. Thank you as always to P.A.M for letting me sneak peek for them. So last thing I wanted to mention, and now seems as good a time as any, is that in September I am hosting an event that is specific to P.A.M diamond painting. It is going to be the P.A.M party event. So all you need is a canvas from P.A.M. That is all you need. It doesn't need to be a fresh start, and you don't need to finish. But for the month of September, we will all be working on canvases from P.A.M. It is P.A.M.'s birthday month. It is my birthday month. And so I thought that would be a lovely way to celebrate. We are hoping to have some cover papers and some cover minders printed up in the event logo design. Yeah, there may even be some prizes. So keep an eye on P.A.M.'s group on Facebook and on my channel here. Remember to hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. And then I will be putting out a video specifically about the event a little closer to the time. But yeah, get your orders in now. Remember that ordering from P.A.M is a pre-ordering. It's a pre-order service. So you can put in your order. It is well worth picking out a canvas now, getting it ordered, and then it will be here with you and ready for when the event starts on September 1st. So, once again, this canvas is called Sunshine Blooms. It is Piddling At Memories is the company, and I hope that you are as interested in this as I am. Let me know down below if you're interested in the event, if you are tempted by this canvas. Thank you as always to those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are the absolute best. Couldn't do it without you. If you want to join them, it is just 99 pence per month. You will get early access to videos, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. I'm going to leave this here, and until next time, stay crafty.